Coming up on Outdoor Method, we hike to Trappers Peak, a beautiful alpine summit in the North Cascades of Washington.
All right, we are in Washington. We are doing Thornton Lakes, Trapper Peak. It's about 10 miles round trip. What's it? 3,500 feet of elevation gain. So we'll check in every mile like normal, kind of give you trail updates and stuff along the way. And yeah, we'll see you in a mile.
The road to this trailhead is a steep, narrow road. Be careful when driving up. Also, the parking lot is super small with maybe enough room for 8 to 10 vehicles.
We are 1 mile in. Pretty flat so far. We're cruising right along. Nothing too exciting going on. It's pretty wooded. We haven't caught any views. Can hear a river below us here, but haven't seen it yet. So we'll check in around mile 2. Two miles in. Trail's still pretty much the same. It's very groomed, it's nice. Not a lot of rocks or twigs or nothing, it's just kind of straightforward. Still no views really. That's the trail. We're just kind of grinding along here. The elevation's relatively flat. Starting to pick up a little, but nothing too crazy. We will check in at mile 3. Three miles in, the elevation has started to pick up a little bit. We're still in the forest, no views yet. We're starting to definitely gain some elevation though, so we'll check back in around mile 4.
I would say at the 3-mile mark is where the trail starts to gain some of its elevation. The trail definitely was less groomed at this mile, and noticeably more rocks, roots, and mud.
Around mile 4, still climbing, still rooty, still no views. We're having fun. We're getting close to the lake, I believe, and then from there we'll go to the peak and should be great. So we'll check in Around mile 5.
Huh?
That's what I'm saying.
Why would you want to fly it down here?
I did not record it, but at 4.5 miles you come to a pretty steep section that we had to use our hands to help us up. It's very manageable as long as you take your time. Once through there, it's smooth sailing the rest of the way up.
We're almost there. All right. Look at the view. Insane. We persevered.
We're at the top. It wasn't bad at all.
It wasn't that bad.
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. There's our view now. Back this way. Goes to show you, everybody, that if you just keep pressing, you can get to a better spot. I don't know. I don't know if that's a good idea, good tip, but we made it. So now we have to refilm a few things and then take some more pictures, and then yeah, we'll check in when we get back to the car.
Oh. Like, I record some of you, but I don't. Hello.
How's it going? Right up there.
Say?
That's the wife.
Tons of butterflies.
All right, everybody. We have made it back to the parking lot.
Yay!
And that's it. That's Thornton Lakes and Trapper Peak. Done and done. We will... Beautiful day today.
Perfect weather.
Great weather. The hike was, we said 8 out of 10 just because you grind it through the forest for so long and you don't really get much views. So
Until the top. The top views
But the
are
top is...
10 out of 10 top views. Rest of the hike is 8 out of 10.
That's it. So we'll catch you guys in the next one.